Got a B8BC file in an Adobe application folder? This is a plugin file extending Adobe Photoshop or related applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Adobe plugin files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized B8BC tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. B8.BC files are plugin files associated with Adobe Photoshop and related Adobe Creative Cloud applications. They extend functionality with custom filters, effects, file format support, or workflow tools. Plugins are developed by Adobe third-party software vendors or independent developers to enhance Adobe application capabilities. B8BC files use Adobe's plugin SDK format compiled as platform-specific binary modules loaded by Adobe applications at startup. The format includes entry points for plugin functionality version, information compatibility data, and resource references following Adobe's plugin API specifications for Photoshop and related products. Adobe Photoshop from Adobe is the core program designed for the B8BC structure. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows cannot interpret plugin modules, so safe use relies on the program that loads them. We need to see which program correctly links to the file. Right-click the B8BC file and hit Open with. Test Adobe Photoshop first. If it is unavailable, choose another application. The solution is often hidden in plain sight. When a B8BC file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the B8BC problem. First, installing Adobe plugins. Place B8BC files in the Adobe Applications Plugins directory typically located within the Application Installation folder. Restart the Adobe application to load the new plugin, which becomes available through the filter or relevant menus. Some plugins include installer programs for automated placement in correct directories. Next, verifying plugin compatibility. Check that B8BC plugins match your Adobe application version and operating system. Plugins compiled for older versions may not work with current Adobe Creative Cloud releases. Visit the plugin developer's website for updated versions compatible with your specific Adobe software version and system requirements. Finally, troubleshooting plugin issues. If a plugin fails to load, check Adobe's plugin loading log for error messages. Common issues include version mismatches, missing dependencies, or system architecture conflicts. Consult plugin documentation and developer support resources for troubleshooting specific plugin loading or functionality problems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.